Hey guys, hey guys. Hey guys, welcome to my video. So tonight, I'll show you this to another day, another week. And just turn on the lights. You can see outside, it's literally up evening. Sunset comes to 4:43. Let's go shape. Sorry guys, I can't show you a lot of things because I can't find any. But let's make slime. So this is my slime a weeks ago this week. This is my slime a weeks ago and it did not work. See, it's still melted. And let's fix it. Okay. First of all, it smells like toilet bowl. I'm just and myself. It's so ugly. I'm gonna throw it up. So first of all, we have to with water. Oh my gosh. With lot of water. No, mixing tool. I'm using. Oh my god. I'm using this. The mix. I'm gonna add too much water. I'm gonna put it out in there. Okay, it looks like it's jiggly. That means we just need to put some other things. So first of all, I put some toothpaste. Yeah. I must put shaving foam. I'm just going to do it like this. Done. Now mix. So add shaving foam. Say shaving foam that I use. And now time to mix. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, it's really sticky. Now let's add a tiny bit of water. Oh my gosh, that's too much. Now put it in the fridge. And any minute, I'll just put it in the fridge. Okay, I'm done. There's almost left. Now we're coming for part 3. Actually, this is part 1. Comment for part 2. It's not end of the video. Actually, I put Dove. If you have Dove shampoo, add some, because that's what I add to the slime.